Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Zoho Books. If you're running a business that involves tracking products and stock levels, Zoho Books provides a straightforward system to keep everything organized and up to date. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in using your Zoho Books credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your inventory data, as this is where all your product information and stock levels are stored. After logging in, look to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a menu option labeled Items. Click on this to view and manage all your inventory items. This is your central hub for everything related to the products you're selling or purchasing, and it's where you'll spend most of your time when managing inventory. Now, click on the items you want to manage. You'll see detailed information such as the item name, SKU, sales price, purchase price, and opening stock. These details are crucial because they determine how Zoho Books tracks and values your inventory. If you need to update the opening stock or the current stock on hand, simply click the Edit button located at the top right part of the Quantity section. This allows you to adjust stock levels directly within the item details. Next, head back to the left sidebar and click on Inventory. From there, select Inventory Adjustment. This feature is essential when you need to make manual updates to your stock, whether you're correcting discrepancies or adjusting prices. Click on Create Adjustment to start the process. You'll now see two options, Quantity Adjustment and Value Adjustment. Use Quantity Adjustment if you need to manually update the number of units in stock, perhaps due to damaged goods or miscounts. Use Value Adjustment if you need to change the monetary value of your inventory, which might happen if purchase costs fluctuate or if you're accounting for depreciation. Once you've selected the appropriate adjustment type, fill in the account and reason for the adjustment. Zoho Books requires this information for accurate record keeping and reporting. Scroll down and select the specific item you want to adjust. After you've entered all the necessary details, click on Convert to Adjusted to finalize the changes. This updates your inventory records immediately and ensures your stock levels are accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage inventory in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.